full. Just we will discuss some formula in the previous classes. Okay, just give answer. I will ask.
Yes.
What is the formula of sin x plus y? Shubham.
That's sin x cos y plus cos x.
Okay, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What is the formula of cos x plus y? Swati. What is the formula cos x plus y? Swati. Aditya. Aditya, are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the formula of cos x plus y? Cos x into cos y minus of sin x into sin y. Aditya, just remind, cos x plus y is equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. What is the formula of cos x minus y? Roshan Kumar. What is the formula of cos x minus y? Roshan.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of cos x minus y?
Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y.
Plus sin x into sin y. Just when two functions are added, what is the result? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. What is the value here? 2 cos x cos y. Okay, that is also one formula I have just remained. Cos x plus y into cos x minus y, that is equal to cos x into cos y. When we subtract cos x minus y, cos x minus y minus of cos x plus y, then what is the value? That is 2 of sin x sin y. Just remember this formula. Okay, cos, now that is the fourth formula we can remind, that is cos x plus y, that is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Cos x minus y, that is equal to cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. And when we added both the equation, that is another formula I have to produce here, 2 cos x cos y, which is equal to cos x plus y into cos x minus y. Again subtract that one, then we found here cos x minus y minus of cos x plus y, that is equal to 2 into sin x into sin y. Okay, that is the in terms of cos function we have selling. Again, everybody can say what is the cos x plus cos c plus cos d formula. Another one formula just I discussed now, cos c plus cos d by cos x plus cos y. Swati, what is the formula cos x plus cos y? Swati, what is the formula cos x plus cos y formula? Roshan Kumar, what is the formula cos x plus cos y?
Cos x into cos y minus cos x sin x into sin y.
2 into cos x plus y by 2 into cos of x minus y by 2. See, when cos x cos y we have used here cos x plus cos y, that is equal to cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y. Both are the cos. When we can minus cos x minus cos y, just see here cos x minus of cos y formula. Aditya, what is the formula of cos x minus cos y?
Cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y.
Cos x into cos y. Roshan Kumar.
Minus -2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2.
Okay, very good. -2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. जस्ट सी एटी टिके देखि दियो जे एटी cos दुईटा सारा थिला त हमर एटी प्रोडक्ट रे भी cos दुईटा सारा आसला एटी जे माइनस होला से प्रोडक्ट रे sin दुईटा सारा आसला जस्ट यू रिमेंबर cos x cos y when we added together then 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 and cos x minus cos y then both are sin only negative sign is there -2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, then just come to sin x plus sin y. What is Aditya? Sin x plus sin y रे formula कौन होगा? What is the formula of the sin x plus sin y? Aditya, are you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Sin x plus sin y formula. What is the formula of sin x plus sin y? Swati. Swasti. No, remember that one. So just you see sin x plus sin y. 2 into sin x plus y by 2. 2 into sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. When we consider sine function, then sine cos is production. You can see sin x minus sin y formula. What is the formula sin x minus sin y? 2 into cos x plus y by 2. 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Just reverse order. See this formula. Sin x plus sin y 2 into sin x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2. Sin x minus sin y 2 into cos x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2. Okay, just remember this formula, 4 formulas. Swati, Swasti,
Sir,
just give an answer. What is the formula of cos x plus y? You have see. Just
yes,
look.
sir, cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y.
Okay, very good. What is the formula cos x minus y?
Cos x into cos y plus sin x minus sin y.
Sin x into sin y, not minus. That is into. Okay. Aditya, what is the formula 2 cos x cos y? Aditya, what is the formula
Yes,
2
sir.
cos? What is the formula 2 cos x cos y?
Say cos whole x plus y plus cos whole x minus y.
Okay, very good. Then what is the formula 2 sin x sin y?
Say cos whole x minus y minus cos whole x plus y.
Okay. Roshan Kumar, what is the formula of cos x plus cos y? Roshan, what is the formula cos x plus cos y? Hello. Roshan Kumar, what is the formula cos x plus cos y? Roshan. Roshan,
Yes, sir.
कौन कहली?
Cos x to 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2
What is the formula cos x minus cos y?
minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin into x sin x minus y by 2.
Okay, what is the formula sin x plus sin y?
2 sin whole x plus y by 2 cos whole x minus y by 2.
Okay, so that is the formula of the sin cos x. What is the formula of sin 2x? Sin 2x, what is its formula?
2 sin
2 sin x into cos
The
x.
2 sin x.
That is, what is the formula sin 2x in terms of tan? That is 2 tan x divided by 1 plus of tan square x. See, that are the both formula of sin 2x. Just remember, sin 2x is equal to 2 into sin x into cos x, or that can also represent here 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. What is the formula of cos of 2x? That is cos square x minus of sin square x. See, also you have written 1 minus of 2 sin square x. Also that can be written 2 cos square x minus of 1. Also you have represent 1 minus tan square theta tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. These are the formulas of the cos 2x. Just remember, cos 2x is equal to cos square minus sin square x, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. That is the formula of cos 2x. Just remember. What is the formula of the tan 2x? Tan x plus y. Tan x plus y. That is tan x plus of tan y divided
Tan
by
x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x tan y.
1 minus tan x tan y. If x is equal to y, what is the value? If x is equal to y, then this formula is reduced to tan 2x. Just see, x is equal to y when we equalize करेंगे तो यहाँ पे देखेंगे x is equal to y हो जाएगा, and that is tan 2x. Then what is the tan 2x? Tan x plus tan x, that is 2 tan x.
2 tan x by 1 minus tan square.
1 minus tan square x. Very good. Then that is tan 2x formula. What is the next formula? Sin 3x. Sin 3x formula, anyone? What is the formula of sin 3x?
So 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx.
3 sin x minus of 4 sin qx. Just remember. What is the formula of cos 3x?
4 cos qx minus 3 cos x.
4 cos qx minus of 3 cos x. Tan 3x. What is the formula of tan 3x? What is the formula of tan 3x? Anyone? Tan 3x. 3 tan x. 3 tan x minus
3 tan x minus tan qx by
tan
1 minus
qx
3 tan square
by
x.
1 minus 3 tan square x. That is 3 tan x formula. Okay, yesterday has already done the so many problems. Okay. Everyone complete the exercise 3.3? Or have you any doubt of this question? Everyone, you can practice this question or not? Exercise.
Yes.
Okay. Anyone has doubt? You have not sent, everyone cannot send the answer. Okay, I have already discussed perhaps the principal value. No? Starting the classes of principal value of the trigonometric functions. Principal values. Of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric function. Okay, principal value. What is the principal value? Anybody can say? What is the statement of the principal value? Swati, yesterday perhaps I will discuss the principal value matter. Swati, Koilu, what is the principal value? स्वती आदित्य आदित्य
Yes, sir.
what is the principal value? The value of theta is called the principal value when it lies. The value of theta, the value of theta is called principal value, is called principal value. The value of theta is called principal value. If theta value lies in between 0 less than theta, 0 less than equal to theta less than 2 pi. Okay, the value of theta is called the principal value when it lies in this interval. Just look out. Okay, so just one condition we need to show that for any real number x and y, one theorem. For any real number x and y, just look out here. For any real number x and y, for any real number x and y, if just for look out here, for any real number x and y, the sin x is equal to sin y, then we can say that implies x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y, where n belongs to z. This is the formula. Dekho, just you remember this formula. When sin x is equal to sin y, you can say, then what is the value of x? Now x value is equal to n pi in plus minus 1 to the power n into y. Then another question, when cos x is equal to cos phi. Second condition, cos x is equal to cos y. Then what is the value of x? Now value of x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. Just look out this value. When cos x is equal to cos y, then the value of x can be represented here 2n pi plus minus of y. Okay. Then next another formula, when tan
Yes.
x is equal to tan y. This is cos x cos y. When tan x is equal to tan y, just see here, tan x is equal to tan of y. Then just remember n pi x is equal to n pi plus y. N pi plus y, where n belongs to z. Just see, three formula just you can remember. Just everyone see the three formula. I will ask when we solve the examples. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just comes to one example, we can apply this formula. Find the solution. One example, find the solution. Find the solution sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to minus of root 3 by 2. Okay. आदित्य, किसका रिजल्ट रूट 3 by 2 है?
Sin 60.
Sin 60. तो एठी हमें लिखि परिबा sin x which is equal to minus of sine 60 pi by 3. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is not true. A minus that should not be cancelled. Then what is the value? How to represent this? Sin
Sir,
x
it is
is
in the
equal to
third and fourth quadrant.
which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. So how to
Third and
represent
fourth.
third and fourth? So how to represent it? Sine of minus pi by 3. In third quadrant, 60 degree.
Sir,
What
it
is
was the minus pi by 3 हबोनी कहेंगे ना principal solution 0 greater than equal to ना.
The negative value should
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ
not be
sir,
considered.
sir
That's why
180 plus pi by 3.
so that's why you write pi plus of pi by 3.
Yes, sir.
Sin pi plus theta. What is the value? Sin pi plus theta. So see.
Minus sin theta.
So you can apply this is the value sin pi plus theta. Then just you simplify here, sin x is equal to sin 4 pi by 3. Here x is x and y is 4 pi by 3. Roshan Kumar? Roshan,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
have you any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay, then what is the value of x here? How can
Sir,
represent
ଗୋଟେ
this?
ହବ 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3.
3 pi by 2 plus pi by
Pi
3.
by 3.
3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. Okay. So what is the solution for this question, for this problem? Solution कौन लिखा? What is the x value? One condition formula is provide you. Sin x is equal to sin y. What is its formula? Sin x is equal to sin y. What is its formula? X is equal to कौन थिला? What is the result?
X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 to the power.
N pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. This is the formula. And this formula is applicable here. So what is the x? And that is n pi plus
N below.
n pi plus minus 1 to the power n into y. What is the y value here? This is the y, see. Sin x plus sin x is equal to sin y formula you apply here.
Sir, here y is 4 by 3.
Y is 4 by 3. So you can mention here that is 4 by 3, 4 pi by 3. 4 pi by 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is question 1. Again, I come to next question. This is the answer. What is the
Sir, ଆଉ
n?
ଗୋଟେ ହବ ନା ଯୋଉଟା 11 pi by 6.
N belongs to Z. Then what is the next?
Sir, ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ 4 pi जो fourth quadrant ରେ ହବ 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. ସେଟା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ solution ହବ ନା?
Habo. Okay, this is also enough. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Again, we consider another one example. Solve cos x. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So anybody can say how to solve it? What is the value 1 by 2? किसका cos का कितना डिग्री 1 by 2 होगा? आदित्य? आदित्य?
Yes, sir.
cos का कितना डिग्री 1 by 2 होगा?
So cos 60.
Cos 60. So this value
Sir,
you can
ସେଇଟା
replace.
ସିନା principal solution ହବ କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମକୁ ତ ଦେଇଛି ଯେ ଏଟା
Solve
ରହିବ
କର।
0 ଆଉ 2 pi ଭିତରେ।
हाँ
0
हाँ
ଆଉ 2 pi ଭିତରେ ରହିଲେ ଯୋଡିଏ solution ବାହାରିବ। ଗୋଟେ 4 pi by 3 11 pi by 6।
बस 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 ठीक कथा सेटा कहले 4 pi by 3 11 pi by 6 तो एठी केते सॉल्यूशन हबो cos x is equal to 1 by 2 हेले नंबर ऑफ
ଏଥିରେ
सॉल्यूशन
ବି ଦିଟା solution ହବ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ହବ ଆ
ना
ଗୋଟେ
एठी
ହବ
एठी
cos
प्रिंसिपल
pi by
वैल्यू ना
3
एठी
ଆଉ
सॉल्यूशन
ଗୋଟେ ହବ cos 11 pi by 6।
এটা এ প্রিন্সিপাল সলিউশন নাই, এটা কেবল সলিউশন। These are not principal solution, only solution.
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ଫୋର୍ଥ କ୍ୱାଡ୍ରାଣ୍ଟରେ ହବ ନା?
ହଁ ଆରଟା ହବ, ସେଟା କଲେ ଏଠି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ପାଇବା। এই কোশ্চেনটা
ନାଇଁ
କହୁଛୁ
ସାର୍
ତ
ମୁଁ କସ୍ କଥା କହୁଛି, କସ୍ କଥା କହୁଛି।
cosଟା, ହଁ
କସ୍ଟାରେ ଫୋର୍ଥ କ୍ୱାଡ୍ରାଣ୍ଟରେ ବି ପଜିଟିଭ।
ହଁ फोर्थ करंट पॉजिटिव আছে, जनरल फॉर्मूला पके देले पूरा डायरेक्टली cos x cos
Yes,
pi
sir.
by 3 cos pi by 3 हे गला तार cos x cos y पके देले, एटा तो स्मॉलेस्ट है बना तार 1/2 cos pi by 3 टा
Sir,
स्मॉलेस्ट
smallest value.
स्मॉलेस्ट तम स्मॉलेस्ट टा को हम नउचे एठी। जदि स्मॉलेस्ट टा cos x cos y हे जीवो ताले x र वैल्यू गुटे नॉर्मली बाहरी गला जनरल फार्मूला रे। cos x cos y हेतले फार्मूला कोन थिला ना 2n pi प्लस माइनस कोन y थिला ना कोन y 2n pi प्लस माइनस y ये थिला तो cos x
Yes,
इक्वल
sir.
टू cos y जते बेले थिला just you see cos x is equal to cos y, then x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. This is the formula. So it is a general formula resigola, that is not the principal solution, that is the solution. Principal solution the 0 ru 2 pi bhitor reha pai kochi, but solution eta fourth quadrant bi rahi paribo tamne. So this solution becomes 2n pi plus or minus y. What is the y here? Roshan, y kete achi eti? What is the y value? Aditya,
Yes, sir.
3% na kon?
No, sir.
What is the y value here? Pi by 3. So 2n pi plus minus pi by 3 where n belongs to z. This is the solution, general solution. This will x is equal to, this is the general solution. N is integer, means negative axis bhi habo, positive axis bhi habo, the value of this function. Any doubt? No doubt. Okay, then just we come to another question. Tan 2x is equal to minus cot. Another example, tan 2x is equal to minus cot x plus pi by 3. Anybody can say how to solve the general solution? Solve only for this question. Ke koibo how to solve this value?
So tan 90 degree plus theta equal to minus cot theta.
Tan
Minus
90
cos
degree. Okay, very good, very good. Tan 90 degree plus theta कर दो। Tan 90 degree plus theta. Okay.
tan 3 pi by 2 plus theta भी हबो।
हाँ तो हमें tan 2x टा को हमें
tan 2
लिखी
pi
देबा।
minus theta हबो, tan 180 minus theta हबो।
180 माने 2 pi सेटा। तो एटा का हमें लिखी फिर tan 90 plus theta कर दियो। pi by 2 plus of this value x plus pi by 3. Then ताको जदि हमें सिंप्लीफाई कर दबा केते वैल्यू आसीबो? tan 2x is equal to tan x plus ए दुईटा एलसीएम नेले केते बाहरिबो 5 pi by 6. Okay, so what is the value of 2x here? tan x is equal to tan y. तार कंडीशन कोन अप्लाई करिबा? tan x is equal to tan y. Aditya, what is the formula of tan x is equal to tan y? Aditya,
Yes, sir.
tan x equal to tan y हेले तार सॉल्यूशन किमती बाहरिबो? tan x equal to tan y हेले सॉल्यूशन किमती लिखा जिवो? What is the solution formula?
Sir, x equal to n pi plus y.
x is equal to n pi plus y. So this
N
is the formula.
belongs to z.
n belongs to z. See, तो एठी x जगह रे केते अछि, that is 2x. तो 2x is equal to कोन लिखिबा n pi plus एटा y जगह रे केते लिखिबा x plus 5 pi by 6. So what is the value of x here? x केते हबो ए x टा को लेफ्ट साइड को नै आसो. So that is x is equal to n pi plus pi by 6. n pi plus pi by 6. 5 pi by 6. That is n belongs to natural number. Any doubt? Anyone?
No, sir, no.
Okay.
No, sir.
This is a one question. Just come to next questions. Another example, sin 2x.
Sir, ମୁଁ କହୁଛି sir ଏଇ ସବୁଥର ଦିଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ବାହାରିବ ବୋଲି ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଏ ସବୁ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ କଲେ ତିନିଟା ସବୁଥର ଦିଟା ଭ୍ୟାଲ୍ୟୁ ବାହାରିବ ଏଇଟା ବି 11 ପାଇବା
हाँ ना এটা বাহিরিব যে কিন্তু এটা পুরা জেনারেল সলিউশন বুঝলি কি নাই জেনারেল মানে কোন এটা 11 পাই বাই বি হবে এটা যদি n টা 1 নেবা তাহলে 11 পাই বাই হবে বুঝলি কি নাই n টা ন্যাচুরাল এটা z
sir
ଦେଇଛି ନା
বুক ରେ ବି ପ୍ରିନ୍ସିପାଲ ସଲ୍ୟୁସନ ସବୁଥର ଦିଟା ଦେଇଛି
না এটা প্রিন্সিপাল সলিউশন নাই এটা জেনারেল সলিউশন বইটা টিকে বাহার কর দিও পেজ দেখো 76 পেজ রে আছে এটা জেনারেল সলিউশন বুঝলি না
স্যার 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 স্যার
হ্যাঁ এটা জেনারেল সলিউশন আমি করছি যদি প্রিন্সিপাল ভ্যালু কইবা তাহলে এটা অ্যাপ্লিকেবল হবে না বুঝলি কি না এটি n জায়গায় 2 পাই ভিতরে হউতবা দরকার না
হ্যাঁ স্যার স্যার
n টা 0 নেলে 2 পাই ভিতরে রহিব n টা 1 নেলে 2 পাই ভিতরে রহিব না 2 পাই
স্যার স্যার বুঝিলি
বুঝলো তো তেমন এটা প্রিন্সিপাল সলিউশন ন প্রিন্সিপাল সলিউশন যদি হেবা তাহলে আমি এটা n বিলংস টু z লিখবা নাই সেটা গোটে ভিতরে রহিଯିବ বুঝলো কি না এইটি প্রিন্সিপাল ভ্যালু হলে n জায়গায় 0 পকাই দিলে ভ্যালুটা रहब 0 2 পাই ভিতরে গোটে আউ এটা 5 পাই বাই 6 গোটে रहब n জায়গায় 1 পকাই দিলে কেতে হলা 11 পাই বাই এটা भी বুধে रहब সে 2 পাই ভিতরে रहब না अच्छा मते कहले एतार प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू केते हबो दिस इज द जनरल सॉल्यूशन हला दिस वन इज द जनरल सॉल्यूशन एठी हम आ टिके देखि देबा जे एतार प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू केते हबो आदित्य एतार प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू केते हबो आदित्य प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू एटी टाइम कहबा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ताले केते हबो कहलो n जगह रे 0 पकाइबा केते वैल्यू बाहरिबो व्हाट इज द x वैल्यू n इक्वल टू 0 x वैल्यू केते 5 पाई बाय 6 अच्छा 5 पाई बाय 6 टा ए जो वैल्यू टा रहिला एटा लेस देन ए भीतर रहउची कि 0 लेस देन x लेस देन 2 पाई भीतर रहउची रोशन कुमार रोशन
यस सर
वर्तमान मु प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू चाहूची जे एडी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ने हम प्रथम n जगह रे 0 नेली 0 नेले 5 पाई बाय 6 रहला एटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू हबो ना हबो नै एटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू हबो कि हबो नै 5 पाई बाय 6 आदित्य
सर
हबो
यस सर
हबो काई कि हला एटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू काई कि कहले सोस्ती एटा का प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू कोन पई कहले बिकॉज 5 पाई बाय 6 टा ए 0 आउ 2 पाई भीतर अछि अच्छा n जगह 1 नै जिबा एटी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू केते बाहरिबो देखलो 1 नेले 11 पाई बाय x वैल्यू बाहरी गला 11 पाई बाय 6 पाई बाय 6 एटा या भीतर रहिबो कि 0 लेस देन इक्वल टू x लेस देन 2 पाई भीतर रहिबो हेलो आदित्य
यस सर
अच्छा ताले 11 पाई बाय 6 भी गोटे ही जीवा हमर प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू ओके अच्छा n जगह 2 नेले प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होबो कि देखो n जगह 2 नहीं जीवा n जगह 2 नहीं जाओ केते बार देखो स्वस्ति स्वस्ति सुधा
हाँ सर
n जगह जदी 2 नेबा सेटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होबो कि नहीं मते कहलु आगो 12 a 5 17 सेटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होबो नाही ना होबो 6 to 12 5 17 pi by 6 ए प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होबो कि ए भितरे से लाइज करबो नहीं एमान को भितरे ये लाइज करूनी डोंट लाइज दिस फंक्शन आदित्य आदित्य
यस सर
n जगह 2 पकेले एटा प्रिंसिपल वैल्यू होबो कि ना होबोनी
ना सर
ताले हाउ मेनी प्रिंसिपल वैल्यूज ऑफ दिस गिवन प्रॉब्लम two principal
सर
value
2
that is 5 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 okay बुझ पेलन नहीं तो नेक्स्ट आ गोटे एग्जांपल नेबा आ जस्ट 1 मिनिट रहला तो नेक्स्ट जो पीरियड आसबो ताकू मो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल रे डिस्कशन करबी ओके तो नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल को हमें आफ्टर 1 मिनट आई विल टेक दैट वन because just I finished this class अच्छा तम मैंने होमवर्क कहीं करी ना होमवर्क आदित्य होमवर्क टा कहीं करी नु को
सर और टिके रही
कहीं की आसंता काले मु एग्जाम करबी जस्ट रिमेंबर टुमारो इज योर
Yes.
एग्जाम okay tomorrow is your exam I will consider for the trigonometric function and केतरा चैप्टर करबी एग्जाम